Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to listen to Audible books. First, you'll want to download the free Audible app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Simply search for Audible in your App Store and install it. Once installed, open the app and either create a new Audible account or sign in using your existing Amazon details. This seamless integration makes getting started incredibly easy, allowing you to access a world of stories in just a few taps. Once you're logged in, it's time to find your next great listen. You can browse the extensive Audible catalog by genre, author, or even narrator. If you have a specific title in mind, the search bar is your best friend. When you find a book you love, you can purchase it directly or use one of your monthly membership credits. After acquiring your book, simply tap the download button, and it will be ready for offline listening in just a few moments, usually under 5 minutes for a standard audiobook. With your audiobook downloaded, head over to the library section of the app to start listening. The player offers intuitive controls: play, pause, and skip forward or backward by 30 seconds if you miss something. You can also adjust the narration speed, from half speed up to 3 times the normal pace, to suit your preference. For bedtime listening, the sleep timer is a fantastic feature, allowing you to set it for anywhere from 5 minutes to over 60 minutes, ensuring you don't miss too much if you drift off. To ensure the best listening experience, a few tips can be helpful. Always check that your device has enough storage. Some audiobooks can be quite large, often several hundred megabytes. Downloading over Wi-Fi is highly recommended to save your mobile data and speed up the process. Also, explore features like WhisperSync for voice, which lets you switch effortlessly between reading an Amazon Kindle ebook and listening to its Audible version, picking up exactly where you left off. Happy listening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.